Want to design and print a photo greeting card with your HP Envy printer? The HP app makes it super easy. We'll show you how to create a fun and festive card in just minutes. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from your App Store or 123.hp.com. First, make sure your device and your printer are connected to the same network. Then load 4x6 or 10x15 cm HP matte photo paper short side first into the photo tray. In the HP app, select your printer. Then select Print Documents. Select My Photos, then select your festive photo. Select 4x6 two-sided for the print size. Select the More icon, then select Edit to choose photo settings for the front of the card. Make any adjustments or add any text you want. Then select Done. Select Back. Select the More icon, then select Edit. Select Text, add your text, and make any text adjustments you want. Then select Done. Select Print Preview. Choose the settings you want, then select Print.